Welcome, you kind folks, to another IPC, that stands for Ipaintcreatures video, to the World Wide Web, and blasting to all you incredible people out there. I'd like to always give a grand shout out to grace and gratitude for you all taking the time to come in and experience my artistic journey, come along with me, and my thoughts for the week. And this week, I'm showing you creaturpedia. We have reached the pinnacle, over like 2,500 creatures that I've created live on the internet. I have so much fun doing this. I ask you a bunch of mythological questions, and then I just start putting ink and watercolor and all kinds of beautiful color down and do these rough sketches in my sketchbook. And there are 2,500 of these existing, starting to move a lot of them into the NFT space. So check out below if you're interested and you're a collector of NFTs. I'm going to explore a Shigeru Mizuki quote today. And those of you that don't know who Shigeru Mizuki is, he is the grandfather of manga, so comics in Japan. And he also became the world-renowned yokaiologist, specialist in yokai. And I continue his work fully from my heritage all the way up to the artistic endeavors. And Shigeru says, keep doing the things you can't help doing. And I agree with that fully. That's 99.999 of my existence is I've been given the incredible blessing of a lot of creative and innovative things to do with my mind, body, and my soul, and I just can't stop doing them, and I just enjoy doing it. Really coming into my own and finding where I can definitely take the intuitive hints and the hunches and just immediately jump on what's the opportunities right in front of me and give it to my intuitive leads, what I like to say. And basically it is all these things that I can't help doing, and one of them is definitely working with people and getting their funk unstuck so they can use the arts and express themselves and feel wonderful and know who they are and take it to a whole nother level of being. So find those things that you can't help doing, the things that you just naturally do, and you can take a journey back to your childhood in your mind and think about all the things that you just kind of automatically did, because that's the original supernatural power we all have inside of us. It's a given right to all of us to have this uniqueness and this originality, and been given things that are so enjoyable to do. And in my culture is called ikigai, right, which is you find what you're here to do while you're alive, and you get paid for it, do it, and you get supported to do it, and it's exciting, and you can't help but do it, so definitely pay attention to those things that you can't help doing, and do them fully, and find all sorts of social outlets where you fill in that one space that you do so uniquely. And when you do those things you can't help doing, that's where it becomes back into what I like to call a painted poetic symphony, and gets really orchestrated at that level, because you show up and there are no coincidences, and you find that you have just incredible synchronicity with these people, and just let it go, let love be, let it flow in like that mighty river. And I live in Northern California amongst some of the most powerful rivers in the world, and they just give me constant inspiration, from the physical actual thing of a river to the metaphor of what it means to always have the river moving from the center of your chest and who you are, and keep doing the things you can't help doing, for sure. So once again, if you don't know what those things are, then get out there and engage yourself in the creative writing, and first take it in, absorb it in, and when something sparks you and touches you, follow that intuitive lead, that hunch, and then start really paying attention to have a grand awareness of the things that you can't help doing, and keep doing them. Thank you, Shigeru, and thank you all for watching the video. I'll see you all real soon.